In the beginning of Welcome Everybody movie, Adam tells us how his life changed completely when his father Bigfoot came to live with him. Adam has all the powers that his father has, such as running at a very high speed, healing power, and also talking to his animal friends. His friends from the jungle, i.e. Wilbur Trapper and Stripes, used to live with him. Adam watches his father's interview on TV, who has become very famous after coming from the jungle. Bigfoot tells in every interview that the hair company misused his experiment, but Bigfoot was helped by his son and both of them together got that whole company closed, and now his future plan is that he will soon stop all the bad things going on in the world. Adam was now slowly getting troubled by the fact that his father was not giving him time. Due to so much name and fame, Bigfoot was now getting a little busy. Bigfoot's effect was also starting to show on Adam because everyone in the school was asking Adam to get an autograph. Adam somehow manages to escape from there, and after coming out he directly meets Emma. Emma was the same girl from the last movie whom he liked very much, but Adam was afraid to tell Emma about his feelings. Meanwhile, Adam returns home, and as soon as he enters the house, he sees many big canopies of his father. Here an agent has brought some new products for Adam's father, after which he tells Adam that he can earn a lot of money from these products, but Bigfoot rejects all these offers and says that he does not want to do all these works but wants to do such work which will benefit the world. Bigfoot gives a letter of an NGO to the same agent and says that maybe we should help them, but the secretary agent tears that letter, after which Bigfoot gets very angry and throws the secretary out. Bigfoot comes and folds the same letter and starts reading it. It is revealed that the letter was written by a couple named Pam and Sham. He has been sent from Rocky Valley, Alaska, who said that there is a company named Extract at that place, which produces oil, the waste from which is spoiling the entire environment. That couple wants Bigfoot to come here and help them and raise this topic in the whole world so that this company can be closed. Bigfoot was looking for this opportunity for a long time, that is why he gets ready to go to Alaska, but now Adam could not stay away from his father, that is why he does not like this idea and he goes from there expressing his displeasure, but Bigfoot was not going to agree to this. He reaches Rocky Valley of Alaska. That place was very beautiful. Bigfoot captures that entire place and tells how there used to be a mile here, but now this place is completely empty. After going further, Bigfoot meets the same Pam Sham couple who were standing outside the same oil factory, which Bigfoot had thought that there must be a few people here, but when it is known that only these two are here, then he feels that there is a great need of support of the people here, and together these people will soon gather the support of the people here. Bigfoot had doubts because there was excessive security outside this company, which should not have been so much outside an oil company. Then a guide named Carlo comes here, seeing whom Pam tells that he is a local here who always helps us. After this, Bigfoot gets busy with his work, records a video in which he was protesting for the oil company. Sitting at home, Adam feels that his father's video has not gone viral yet and perhaps the message is not reaching the people. Then his friend Tappa explains that Adam should help his father. Now Adam had a very good skill of editing, due to which Adam edits his father's video and re-uploads it. This video of Bigfoot goes viral in no time, and now many people had come here to help Bigfoot. News channels also reached there which were about this. They were covering the topic, and now after this protest, the CEO of this oil company Extract also gives his response on the news channel. Mendrick tells that all these things are just a misunderstanding. Their process of extracting oil is very eco-friendly, due to which there is no harm to the environment, but Bigfoot doubts that if their method is so correct, then why are they hiding this thing so much? Bigfoot tells Arlo that he will have to go to the other side of the bridge to find out about this, and as soon as we go there, we will definitely know something. At night, Bigfoot reaches inside the fence, avoiding all the cameras, and reaches the other side hanging under the bridge, and as soon as he goes, he hears a blast. On going and looking, he comes to know that this place has been completely destroyed. Bigfoot records this act of Mendrick, but in the meantime someone comes and attacks Bigfoot. Here Adam and his family come to know that Bigfoot has suddenly disappeared, and the oil company and the local people there tell that the animal there has probably killed Bigfoot. Bigfoot's family knew very well that Bigfoot can talk to animals, so after all, no animal must have attacked Bigfoot. This family along with Wilbur and Trapper goes out to find Bigfoot. After covering a long distance, they reach Rocky Valley Mine on reaching Alaska where they find Earl. He was the same man who always used to be around Bigfoot. Arlo tells that after Bigfoot left, all the other protesters also left from here and now there is no one here. Shelley asks Arlo to help and leaves Adam there with her animal friends. Shortly after that, Mender's people come here who had come to capture Adam and the other animals. Wilbur and Trapper take all the attack on themselves and drive Adam away from there. Adam had the power to run fast, due to which he had come very far. Adam's speed once proved to be a burden on him because while running at such a high speed, he falls down from a ditch. Falls down, everybody thinks. Adam must have died after falling. That's why they leave from there, but Adam was fine and he goes down to a cave. Here there was a wolf in front of Adam who says that humans should not come to this place because they have already spoiled this whole place with the waste coming out of the oil factory. Adam starts listening and understanding all this and tells this wolf that he is not a threat to him. This wolf comes to know that this human is able to understand its words. That's why this wolf also starts talking peacefully. Adam tells that he has come here to find his father, who was protesting against this oil factory and wanted to close it. Then this wolf says that I have not seen any such person till now, but this wolf can take Adam to such a place from where Adam can start searching for his father. He takes Adam to a very high hill from where Adam sees that Mandarik has cut the entire land and hills and blasted it several times below, due to which oil comes out from there and the people living there are dying. All the animals have to leave their homes. Adam records the whole thing at that time. The same factory was in front of Adam, after which he understands that his father must have been captured and taken there. Adam asks Wolf for help, but Wolf says that I cannot go further, saying this wolf leaves from there. Adam moves ahead alone without fear and reaches directly inside the factory. Reaching there he finds the worker's dress, wearing which he goes inside without letting anyone know who he is. Where he sees Mend and chasing him, he reaches the control room. From their conversation Adam comes to know that together they are going to do a very big blast, due to which so much oil will come out that it will fill the whole valley, but the operator warns Mandarik. Then Mandarik says that after Bigfoot left, no one is paying attention to this valley and no one can stop us from doing this. Adam very cleverly records all this, and at the same time a notification comes on Adam's phone by mistake. Mandarik sees Adam while leaving. Before Mandarik catches Adam, Adam leaves the factory and goes back to his van, but before that he meets Arlo and says that your mother has sent me here to find you. Adam trusts Arlo and goes with him, but Arlo arrests Adam. Then it is revealed that Arlo has been working for Mandarik since the beginning and stays outside and protests so that he can know all the news outside. When Trapper and Wilbur come to their senses, they think about Adam, that is why they take the car and leave to save him. Trapper breaks the gate of the bridge and takes the car straight to the factory road. Due to not being able to control the car, it meets with an accident. Here Arlo had brought Adam to Mandarik after catching him. Adam asks Mandarik to stop this, but Mandarik was such a greedy man that he says that there is nothing bigger than money in this world. When Adam asks about his parents, Mandarik gives him a very big gift. Throws him into a big pit. A huge cart is also thrown inside the same pit to kill Adam. It was good that the cart did not fall on Adam, but all the ways to get out of there were blocked. Then Adam again makes a recording and tells how Mandarik has imprisoned the entire family of Bigfoot, and if anyone gets this video, they will soon bring the police and get Mandarik arrested. Adam thought that this is his last time. Due to this he records something for Emma too, that he likes her for a long time but is unable to say it, and then suddenly the cart from above comes and falls straight down, due to which the ground breaks. After going further here, Adam finds a tunnel where there were many skeletons too. Seeing this he gets scared badly, but as soon as he goes ahead he finds his mother. Mandarik had also put Shelley here. Adam understands that Bigfoot, i.e. his father, must have also been imprisoned here. Adam can hear his father even from a distance. Both of them together call out to Bigfoot, and within a short time Bigfoot also hears their voice. As soon as Bigfoot stands up to free himself, all the things above fall on him. Adam hears Bigfoot's screaming voice here and takes his mom to Bigfoot, where he fixes his father's carpet with his healing power. All three now look for a way out to stop Mendrick. Mendrick had made a very big hole inside the ground where he sends a dynamite down. All three were also watching that big bomb coming down. Adam tells his parents about the destruction caused by this bomb. Before these three could do anything, the drones sent by Mendrick see these three. All three start running forward, where they find a closed lift, but the drone very smartly cuts the entire rope, due to which the lift starts falling down at a very high speed. Bigfoot tries very hard to stop it, where the lift stops but falls down a little further. After that open area, they find an open rail. They find a slope on which all three eyes start moving forward, but here also they face a drone. Because of this drone, Adam was almost about to fall. While saving him, both Shirley and Adam reach another slope, after which Arlo also puts all his drones behind him. Bigfoot had many talents, due to which he flies on each drone and sits on all those Drosophila. Mendrick was watching all these things, and in anger he reduces the time of that bomb. All the workers start running away from there. Adam had come out of the mine with his family, where as soon as the network of his phone comes back, he uploads all the videos. Where Shirley's eyes fall on the broken track ahead. All of them try hard to stop the cart, but Bigfoot understands that they will have to jump from here, due to which all three of them jump into the river. Adam throws his phone to a great height, so that while going up, the phone can just upload the video, then the phone falls in the water. From the speaker, these three come to know that there is very little time left for the blast. Bigfoot asks Adam to leave from there and himself starts taking Shirley with him. Here Adam gets an idea and he reaches the same side at a very high speed where the bomb was. 30 seconds before the blast, Adam reaches there, where his parents also see him. Adam reaches the bomb with the help of a wire, and after reaching down, he turns off that bomb manually. Maida gets very angry that his mission has failed, but a scientist tells him that if a small bomb is thrown on this big bomb, then this big bomb will also blast. Mendrick takes a bomb with Arlo, but Bigfoot had the power of hearing, due to which he is able to hear this plan. Here Wilbur and Trapper had reached there with their broken car even after the accident. Arlo is in front of them. They go to stop Arlo at full speed, but again a dot hits the Trapper, due to which he becomes unconscious. Wilbur uses a lot of force to stop the car from falling down, after which he collides his car with the car of Earl and Mendrick. In this collision, the small bomb flies straight into the hole, but at the end Bigfoot catches the falling bomb and throws the bomb at a great height, due to which the bomb explodes in the sky. Now Adam had also come up. All of them were very happy to save themselves. At the same time, the news channel people also reached there, because it is known that Adam's videos were uploaded. Now when the news channel records all these things, Mendrick was about to run away from there to save his life, but then the same wolf and all the other animals of the forest stop Mendrick. Mendrick and ARD fall into the same oil, which they were going to sell and earn a lot of money, after which the government cleaned this entire place and made it a wildlife reserve. It was announced so that no one could again drill this place and use it for oil. Here in Bigfoot's interview, he again says that all this was incomplete without Adam, i.e. his son. In the end, the Bigfoot family was very happy to return home. Here Emma tells that Adam's proposal was also uploaded along with all the other videos, and now when Emma came to know about it, Adam again proposes to Emma, which Emma accepts and kisses Adam. This thing is also seen by their family, and with this, guys, this amazing movie ends here. So do tell me how you all liked this movie. So let's meet you all in the next movie. Until then, Tata.